Hello everybody. We're gonna, or everybody as in just Danny in the camera. We're gonna start our war. It's us three against two other people. We have 2 lives, their team has 3. Because Zach chose not to play.
Because he's a wimp.
Alright.
Zach, don't get mad because I said that. You know it's true.
Let's prepare. Let's head out. Contact. Max. It won. Yeah. Not sure. I'm hitting the shoulder. Where? Where is he?
Yeah, he's coming with me. I'm just playing.
What?
Michael, come with me.
Okay.
You go. You take him.
Where do I go? Not to put move up.
Michael, you move up. I'll cover.
Are you sure you got it? Came down right there. Hit. Max. I want to engage.
Oh, that's not.
Josh, you out?
That's not.
What?
That's not.
Josh out? Max, is Josh out? Yeah, he is. Hey, we won. We won. Max. Josh, you out? I don't. Oh, wait. What? Did I get hit?
No, I don't know.
Wait, did I get hit? I only have 1 hit.
Should we go around?
What?
Michael, you go around. Swing in the middle. You gotta keep him like that.
Yeah, like, I only felt 2.
This one made him bleed.
Yeah, I'm freaking bleeding too. Like 1, you can see exactly where I got shot. There's.
I suppose it's payback for when you sprayed Max.
Josh hit me once. He was trying to knock on my hip. I just watched it.
Wait, Max, did I even hit you?
No, Josh hit me once. I was proning right here.
I know, like I saw you. Like and then I could have shot, but I was trying to play it safe. I go. Josh, Max is coming from behind. First 3 hits are from. How much FPS is that gun?
Like 400, 400 something. 400. I think it's out.
Should really put my goggles back on.
You hit me once in the leg.